Hello everyone, this is Melinda and I'm the Fat-Free Gourmet here with Short Stacks. Today we're going to be doing a homeschool cooking class. I'm a former homeschool mom, homeschooled my children all the way through high school, and we did lots of cooking classes. They got more advanced as time went on, but this is one of our first ones we did in the elementary school years, and it is called Breaded Bananas. So today we're going to learn how to do this. Please wash your hands, keep your kitchen clean, and try and clean up after yourself after each step. We're going to go ahead and start with our ingredients. Here I have some Honey Nut Cheerios in a Ziploc bag. I also have a fresh, ripe, but not too mushy banana. It has to be a little bit firm. I also have some fat-free yogurt. You can use any kind of yogurt you'd like, low fat, any flavor, doesn't matter. Choose your favorite. Cooking is about being creative and cooking what you like. Here we have some appetizer picks, some ultra-thin pretzels, and some frill picks. I picked up the frill picks and the appetizer picks at Dollar Tree. The ultra-thin pretzels are from Walmart. You can use plain toothpicks if you'd like. So let's take those aside, and the next ingredient, you can also use applesauce as a dipper. Use your imagination. Again, be creative. Choose what you like. The recipe is flexible. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and turn my Honey Nut Cheerios into breadcrumbs. I'm going to take all the air out of my Ziploc bag, seal it tightly. Make sure you seal it tightly. You don't want any messes. Take your rolling pin and start crushing your cereal. You want it to be in very fine crumbs. The finer the crumbs, the better it adheres to the bananas. So you might want to turn it a couple times. Make sure they're ultra teeny crumbs. I'm going to go ahead and show you how to do it with graham crackers, because graham crackers are my favorite. Again, make sure the bag is sealed tightly. Roll them into fine crumbs. Let's set that aside. Get onto our banana. So I'm going to slice my banana on a cutting board, and it's going to be in kind of medium pieces. Again, the banana should be firm but ripe. If one of your pieces is not flat, trim it to make it flat so it sits nice when it's placed on its side. We're going to be making little banana lollipops. Next, we're going to dredge our bananas, and I've chosen the graham cracker because, again, it's my favorite. I love graham crackers. So I'm going to put the bananas into the bag with the crumbs, and when I seal the bag this time, I'm going to do it tightly, but I'm going to leave air inside because that helps me to dredge the crumbs onto the bananas. So I'm going to toss them, and you can have a little fun with this, not too much fun. Make sure your bag is sealed, and make sure they're nicely coated. I'm not going to plate them up on the plate we're going to serve right now. I'm going to use a different plate and show you what I don't want you to do with your bananas. Presentation's important, because we eat with our eyes, not just our mouths. We like to enjoy the sight of our food too, so we want to do a pretty job when we present it for consumption. I'm going to open up my bag here, and you're going to see my bananas are well coated. If some of them are not coated, just toss them around a bit more. Now, your first inclination is going to be to pick up the bananas by the flat side and stick the pick in that way. I don't want you to do that. I want you to make little lollipops. I want you to go in from the side. See, I'm going to flip that one over. Didn't have enough crumbs. So I'm going to take a pretzel, a thin pretzel, and do it from the side. We're making itty bitty banana lollipops. This is why. Oops, see, it fell off. We want our banana lollipops to be easy to dunk. We don't want to do it that way. Let's not do it that way. Let's put them in from the side. When you dip, it will be much easier. So again, I'm just showing you how to put them together. I'm actually going to do the assembly on this cutting board. And the reason is, on the plate that I'm going to serve, I don't want any crumbs. I want it to be pretty. We want to make it fun to eat and nice to look at too. Food should be nice to look at. It should be served in pretty dishes. We should enjoy eating. We should celebrate the time we have together to eat. And this is why this one's a fun homeschool breakfast. Doesn't take long to prepare, very healthy. Here's my presentation plate. I have put the yogurt in a little ramekin. You can leave it in the regular dish if you want, but I'm just trying to show you some options here. I'm going to arrange my banana lollipops on my serving plate, and I am going to show you a couple other options you can do here. So I've got some cocoa powder that I'm going to sprinkle on top of my raspberry yogurt, so raspberry chocolate, and I'm going to put a little bit of cinnamon on top of my applesauce. You can put any of these ingredients into the breading mix, and we're going to dunk and taste. Oh man, is that good? So good. I like it in both. Do not double dip. That's not polite. It tastes really good. Use your imagination with ingredients, like I said. And you guys have a wonderful day. It was a pleasure cooking with you. Thank you for watching. This is Melinda, the Fat Free Gourmet. Study hard, make it a great day, and stay Epicurious.